Okay, to remove the headlight, there's just 3 10mm bolts and 1 electrical connection. There's one located here, one at the top, and one at the side of the bumper there, and one at the side of the headlight there. On the back of the headlight, you've got one. I'll get the headlight, I'll put the wire so we can see that a bit easier. Okay, this is how I remove the connection, just with a bent screwdriver or a normal screwdriver. Pull the tab out and then pull the connection off. Also, a lot of people struggle with the headlight bulb change on these. Let's just remove the back cover so you can see inside. Okay, here's the back of the headlight. You can see the 2 main headlight bulb connections. There is a 3rd bulb in the centre for your side light. A lot of people do struggle to remove this. Here's the 2 wires going to it. And if you can see in there, there is a little pull tab. Let me go and grab a torch. Just try and see it. If you can see that little tab just there. No, you can't see it. It's just there. You need to pull that out. I normally get 2 fingers to each side and then just pull it. Normally, it is C-solid like this one is. So they're very difficult to remove. So this is with the headlight out and I can get better force on it. They are an absolute nightmare a lot of the time. So there's the connector for the side lighting. Normally this is snapped off because somebody's pulled it wrong and they do get snapped off, but luckily we've got this one on here. They are just a bayonet type bulb, so very easy to fit and change. To refit them, I normally, once you put the new bulb in, put your side lights on so you can see through the front of the headlight. Through the front of the headlight there where the light's reflecting, and that will help you locate the bulb into the holder a lot better. When doing this in a car, you've got very little room to do it, so you literally just like this. So you do have to sort of do it blind, which is not easy at all. So I have spent years doing this, so I'm quite used to it. And there we go, that's one headlight bulb removed. And refitting. Yeah, you just can't see it without having a bulb on there. And on the other bulbs, I'll just show you. Just remove the connector off the end of it. You then just need to slide the tabs to one side. Or should I say, there's a single tab on this headlight, and you just need to slide it over to the left, and then out it comes. Out goes your bulb. The bulbs do only sit in one way. It's very easy to get it wrong, as you can see. On the bulb itself, you've got the raised end. That raised end needs to go up in this headlight. Pop that all the way in first, until that's nice and flat. And back into the hole and across to the right. And don't forget your electrical connection. And there we go. That's how to take a headlight off and get to the bulbs.